Michael, your take on what we're hearing inside of the courtroom and the tolling versus concealment. There's this question about whether the statute of limitations was properly tolled. Can you break that down for us?
Yeah, this judge would be wrong if he thinks that the statute of limitations was tolled in this case or in any murder case. Tolling does not apply in murder cases. It's a single event case. Tolling, it's black letter law that tolling applies to statute of limitations when it factually matters. So an example would be somebody commits fraud, and then when they commit fraud, few years later they want to conceal that fraud further by taking a certain asset and moving it. Now they've basically revived the crime. They've brought it back to life. You can't do that with a single event case. When you murder somebody and you leave the scene of the crime, it's done. The statute of limitations is from the time of the murder, of the single event, whatever it is, a car accident, a gunshot, a wound, a stabbing. There's no tolling in murder. I've never even heard of tolling or concealment being applied. Now, it's a separate crime if you kill somebody and then you bury them in a graveyard, and then the government starts to get close to the corpse, and then you go there at night, you dig that person up and you move them. That's a separate and distinct crime. That's different. That's not what happened here. What happened here is he's alleged to have, and I hate this guy. I think he's a monster, right? But I gotta defend the law on this one. There's no tolling by concealment in this case. It doesn't fit.